In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your game install location on Steam. So what you want to do is open Steam, log into your account, and then in the upper left-hand corner where it says Steam, just click on Steam there to get to your settings. Scroll down and just click on Settings. Once here, you're going to see the sidebar here. We want to go to where you see Storage about midway down the page. This is going to show you where your default storage drive is. So for me, it is the C drive, but if we click here, it'll open up a drop-down menu that will show us all of the available drives that we've added. If you don't see your other external drive where you want to add to save your games to, just click the button here that says Add Drive. Once you do that, you'll see a couple of drop-down menus that will show you your available external drives that you can choose from. If you don't see it here, you can go to Let me choose another location, but from what I've found, it basically pulls up all of your external drives. But if you need to, click that, go to Add, and then go here and choose on the sidebar the different storage, devices or volumes that you have on the sidebar. Once you've done that, select the drive you want to add, and then just click the blue Add button right there. Now when we come here to the Storage tab, click the drop-down menu, you will now see all of your external or internal drives that you've added as storage places for your games within Steam. Now, if you want to, you can actually go and choose, as you see all of my current games, if you want to move them to a new install or drive, what you would do is you would just select the specific games by checking the box here. And then what you can do is you can click the Move button at the very bottom. So if we click the Move button here, it's going to bring up all of our available drives with a drop-down menu. And as you can see, I can move them from my E drive to my D drive. And obviously you have to have available space to do so. And then you just click Move and you've moved those games. Now, if you want to install new games on that drive, what you would do is you would go to your library here and find a game that's not installed. Select the game that you want to install. And as you can see here, when we click on Install, you're going to see an option that will basically give you the availability to install to any of the drives that you've added as install paths on Steam. So now we can choose the one that we just added, click the Install button, and it's going to install on said drive. So again, make sure you go to Steam Settings, go to Storage, add the drive you want, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, put those down below. There'll be a pinned FAQ section in the pinned comment down below, and we'll talk to you next time.